Look, water. Water in that or not?
Let me see.
Finish that rice, okay?
He's not eating class. Okay. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Madhav. Okay. Hare Krishna, Jan. We will start the class. I cannot see. Okay. Let's start. Okay. Oh, Miranda, we will start. I'm not able to share the screen, Mataji. I'm trying. I cannot.
Oh, why Mataji? You are still co-host here.
I know, but it's not showing me the slide that I want to share. It's showing me everything else.
Did you open that?
Let me close it again. And, oh, we will start, but okay, let's start with the class. Om Ajnana Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshurunmilitam Yena
Tastuntishnayam Kesham.
Namo Om Vishnupadaya Krishna Prishtaya Bhutale
I offer respect. Namo Om Vishnu Padaya Krishna Nityananda Shri Advaita Mary
Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda
Nityananda Advaita Gadadara Shivasari Gaura Bhaktarinda.
11 times, okay? Hare Krishna,
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Hare, Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Rama Rama, Hare Ram, Hare Ram,
Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama,
Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare,
Hare
Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare
Rama,
Hare,
Hare Rama,
Hare Hare,
Rama
Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare,
Krishna,
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Okay, thank you all for chanting so beautifully. So today, what story are we going to hear? What do you think? What story?
Nimai's puppy. Nimai's puppy.
Nimai's puppy. Everybody likes
Nimai's puppy.
Yes, it's a very, very sweet and wonderful story. So what happened one day, Nimai was playing with his friends, on a playground. And then, on the side, he saw a few puppies. They were playing with each other. So he was so attracted, one of the puppy was very, very beautiful and, very nice looking. So, Nimai just picked that puppy and, then they started playing, with his friends, the puppy and Nimai and all his friends. But then what happened? Nimai wanted to take the puppy. So Nimai said, we will go home. let's go to my house and let's play together. And that's what Nimai said. But then the other friends, they were like, you kept ugly puppy for us. You took the beautiful puppy with you. Who will we play with? He said, no, with me. Let us all play together at my house. So then they went to his house and they had a lot of fun. And they were rolling and playing with the puppy. But then one of the friend was still upset, because Nimai had taken the beautiful looking puppy. And then he was like, we don't have any other puppies. So then he started fighting with Nimai. Said, I don't want to play. You have kept the good looking puppy. We don't have anything. No, I want to go home. I don't want to play with you. Oh, he left. So when he left, on the way, whom did he see? Mother Sachi. She was coming. Then he told Mother Sachi, you know what Nimai has? Nimai has got a puppy in the house. So hearing this, Mother Sachi, she was so upset. And she was so surprised. She said, how it's dirty, right? Isn't it? If you get a dog in your house, if you don't train properly, what will it do? It will do, all potty and everywhere in the house. So that's not good. And they are brahmanas, they are devotees, so how can they have the house dirty? So thinking that Mother Sachi was, totally angry. So she just went home. And she went home and she saw that Nimai had tied the puppy to the chair, one of the legs of the chair. So she told Nimai, there's a puppy at home. Puppy is dirty. Puppy cannot stay in the house. It has to go out. Then Nimai said, no, I will stay only if the puppy is there. I want the puppy. I like the puppy very much. So then, no, she tried to pacify him, but he was not listening. And she said, okay, don't worry. What we can do is you can just leave him here, see how dirty you have become. Go take bath in the Ganges and then come back. By that time, I will make food, everything ready, and then you can still play with the puppy. So like that, Nimai, he listened to his mother Sachi, and then he went. Then what happened? As soon as Nimai went, what did Sachi Mata do? She untied the puppy and she let it go out of the house. That friend, he was watching, one of the friends was watching all these things. And immediately he went running and he told, Nimai, Sachi Mata, she untied the puppy. Now what happens when something nice and something very valuable and something that is very precious to you is taken away from you or thrown out? If your mother does not know that is the toy that you play with and she thinks, no, let me give it away, it's old, you will get so upset and angry, right? Like that. Nimai was now, he's so upset now. He's going running to his home, Mother Sachi. And he said, when he went inside the house, he saw that there is no puppy. He got so upset. He started crying. He's like, so then Mother Sachi was like, no, I did not do anything. Somebody must have come and taken the puppy away. I did not do anything. And he did not stop crying. But then Mother Sachi, she had made, so many nice savory items, sweet items for him to, to feed him. So seeing all those food, Nimai was now, very happy. He was satisfied. What happens, when you're crying so much, your mother tries to pacify you, right? By giving you, say, no, take this. This is good. Forget about the other things. So like that, she was trying to pacify Nimai. And then Nimai was happy. And then eating the food. And then after he ate food, then again he went to play with his friends. But what happened meanwhile to the puppy? Because it had been touched by Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, what happened? It went, to the marketplace where there were people around and it started, standing on its two hind legs and it started singing Hare Krishna. It started chanting. Everybody gathered around seeing the puppy. Oh, how can I sing? Have you ever seen an animal sing? No. So the dog puppy is now singing, chanting. It's dancing in ecstasy. So they were all very surprised. But then suddenly what happened? The puppy fell on the ground. And when it fell on the ground, the people were like, oh, the puppy has died, puppy has died. When they were talking like that, a beautiful swan, a beautiful airplane, right? The swan, it came down to take puppy back to Godhead, isn't it? The puppy had to go back to Godhead because it has been touched by Nimai, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. That is today's story. So how fortunate is the puppy? But we are also very, very fortunate, isn't it? We can chant any time. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has given us this, this precious mantra. So we should not, we should try to take it to our heart and we should chant very nicely and sincerely, isn't it? All of you can chant nicely like you chanted, before the beginning of the class. So every day you should also take this mantra, and from within your heart, you should chant at least, one round if you can chant every day. See, you have holidays now, isn't it? Everybody has Christmas break. Yes. Yeah, so you can chant one round, start with one round. That's okay. Yeah, everybody can try chanting.
Can I say something?
Tanvik, you want to say something? What do you want to say, Tanvik?
On Friday, I am going to Talkie Beach for a picnic, a Christmas picnic.
Oh, you're going to go for the Christmas picnic. Oh, that is very nice. You should also chant, and in the picnic, you should also make others chant, because when you kids chant, everybody is, so happy to see you chanting. They also get inspired. Yes.
Can I tell something?
Who is that?
Vrinda.
Yes, Vrinda.
Like on Christmas days, like everyone used to read the Bhagavad Gita.
Oh yeah, because we are having the advent of Gita, right? So everybody is going to read Bhagavad Gita. Yes. Okay. Now we will do a small activity. Okay. All of you, start chanting very nicely. See how the puppy went back to Godhead, isn't it? We also want to get the love of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, isn't it? Love of Krishna. So we should also chant from within our heart. Okay. Yes. Everybody can show that thumbs up. You can all chant. Yeah. One round. Yes. Everybody can try. Wow. Very good. Hari bol. Okay. Now we'll do a small activity of word game. Okay. Mataji, I can start again.
No, I'm hungry.
Who is hungry? Okay. So this word game, you know what? We did the story today, isn't it? Yes. So from this story, there is a word. Say, for example, I have thought a word, Nimai. Okay, so you have to guess the letters. You might not know the word, but you have to guess the letters. So if you guess the wrong letter, so what will happen is, I will start making this devotee, he has hands, legs. Yes.
Koshi has a dog.
Oh, yes, Koshi.
What do you want to say?
Yes, Koshi, go ahead.
I thought to say to my mom and dad, next year when it becomes Christmas, we will go to see Mataji?
I cannot hear you, Koshi, properly.
Mataji?
Yes.
Can I ask something?
Yes.
What is this?
That's what I'm trying to explain. So you all have to listen, okay? You all have to listen to me. Please. So please listen, don't talk. Okay, let's finish the game. Then whatever questions you have after this game, we finish this, then you can ask, okay? So for example, I have thought a word, Nimai. So you don't know what is the word, but you have to guess the letters of that word, okay? So now here, see. So what happens if you guess the wrong letter? I will start making this devotee, I will put the hands, legs, body, and then when the devotee is complete, that means the devotee wins and you lose. Okay? Can we start? Let's play one game, then you will understand what we are doing. Okay? So this is the first word. Okay? The first. Rishikesh, you have a question?
No, I didn't have a question.
Okay. Okay. So let us say, okay, this is the first word here. You can see there are 8 letters. Now, You have to start guessing the letter. If the letter is wrong, I will write it in the pink box. Can you see the pink box here, everybody? Yes?
Yes,
Yeah. If the letter is correct, I will write it in the yellow box. Okay. So let's see who wins. If the devotee wins or you kids win. Let's see. So who wants to go ahead? So let me choose. Okay. Let me choose. Okay, Janvi, can you guess the first letter? Any letter you want to guess? Janvi? N. Okay. We have N. Okay. Okay, let me go. Somebody else is raising hand. Mataji, can you see who is raising hand? I cannot find it.
Mataji, can I say?
Okay, wait. Somebody else is raising hand.
Tushita.
Tushita. Tushita. Tushita. What did you say?
A.
A. Okay, A.
Next is Balram.
B.
Okay, Balram, go ahead.
D.
D is not there. Okay. So now we have the leg for the devotee.
Oh no,
okay.
The legs are coming closer. What do we do?
Okay. So who else wants to take a guess? Rinpa, you want to guess Rinpa any letter? Or if you know the word, you can say the word also.
Nirvi Mataji.
Mataji, I know. Mataji, R. B. 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 B.
B is not there.
B. V. M. N.
N or N?
V. V. N.
N is already here.
R.
Okay, Rishikesh Mataji. Rishikesh.
Okay, Rishikesh, go ahead. Rishikesh.
R. Mataji. The word is Chaitanya. Mataji.
Okay, can anybody guess the word?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay, Sundari.
Mataji.
Yes.
Dama. Chaitanya.
No. Sundari Gopi, what is your question? Please unmute yourself. No, everybody has to be quiet. I'm taking. Who said Gauranga?
Nirvi.
Oh, Nirvi, thank you. Very nice. Okay. So you kids have 1 point. Okay, now next time I'll take the names, okay? Those whose names I take, they should only say. Everybody should not say the answer. Okay? So let's go with okay, Rishikesh got the chance, right? Okay. Mayuk. That is the second one. You want to call you. There is no N. No N. Okay, so again we have a P.
I said P.
Who is that?
Mayuk.
Mayuk said P. Oh, you said P. Okay.
Puppy.
Puppy. Yes, puppy.
It's puppy.
Okay. Now the third word. Okay, let's start with the third word now. Okay, Sanvi, let me take out Sanvi. Sanvi, you want to try the letter? Guess any letter.
Can I go?
Wait, Sanvi, you want to say? No.
Sorry, Mataji, I muted everybody. That's why I'll have to unmute.
Okay. Sanvi, you want to go ahead? Okay, no, Sanvi is not there. Who was that, Mataji?
I'm here, Mataji.
Okay, Sanvi, you want to guess the letter. Which letter you want to guess? Any letter.
Okay, I'll try B.
Okay, there is no B. Okay, see, I'm writing here. That means there is no B. Okay. Sundari Gopi, she actually raised her hand a lot of time, but she does not unmute herself. Balram, you got a chance. Not Balram, you Sundari Gopi, you want to say Rasika and Kishori, or is it Rasika and Kishori? Rasika and Kishori, you want to guess? Okay. No?
कुठला वर्ड सांगा. विच वर्ड रसिका?
Which word?
तुम्ही सांगा ABCD पासून कुठला.
See, B is not there. See, B I have written. It's not there. B
Okay.
is not there. Any other letter you want to guess?
गौरव ए म्हणा जाऊ दे.
A.
Okay. So we have A. Okay. Thank you. Okay, Hridan. Hridan, unmute yourself and say the letter. You cannot take time. You have to be fast. We cannot take a lot of time. You have to say.
P.
There is no P. Okay, Deepak and Kaushi. You want to take the turn? Deepak and Kaushi. You have to be fast, guys. Deepak and Kaushi. No? Okay.
D. Dog. Dog. Not the dog.
There is no D. There is no D.
Can I go now, Mataji?
Okay, Deepak, go ahead.
G.
Okay, G. Yes. G.
Hi, Krishna. This is me, Tanvik.
Yes, see, we have legs, body. See, the devotee, I think devotee will be. Tanvik, okay, go ahead, Tanvik.
So, N.
N. Okay, N. Okay. Shamagori, want to try Shamagori?
Mataji, can you just say the word?
Okay, Vrinda, no.
Is chanting.
Yeah, chanting. Very nice, Vrinda. Okay. Okay. Let's see. We can play one more. We'll do this last one because after this, Mataji has to take shloka. Right, Mataji? We don't have much time. Okay.
Can I stay here?
Okay, so let us start with Shamagori. I took Shamagori's name. Okay, Shamagori.
Mataji, did you say my name?
Yes, Shamagori. Yeah, go ahead.
Is it H?
H? No H. Okay, let's see. No H. So we are making the devotee. Okay, Janvi, did I give you a chance, Janvi? Yeah, I think so.
Can I stay here? Then Vrinda go.
Vrinda, yeah, Vrinda can go. And then I will tell you. Vrinda.
I know the word.
Vrinda.
M.
M. Okay, we have M. Okay, then Palvit. Palvit, you want to go next?
It's A.
A. Okay. Okay.
Hare Krishna.
Okay. Then who else is there? I did not give a chance. Then okay. Pranav. Yes, Pranav. Vrinda, you will not say Vrinda. Pranav, go ahead.
Japamala.
No, this is not Japamala.
That's actually, this is one letter.
Pranav, what did you say? I cannot hear.
You can tell the word if you know.
If you know, you can guess the word. Say the letter.
Yes, Mataji.
What did you say? I cannot hear anything.
Sachipata.
Oh, who said Sachimata?
Madhav. Say Madhav. Say
Madhav. Oh, very nice.
Hare Krishna Mataji. Can I go?
Okay, then we'll do one last one. Okay? Otherwise, okay.
Mataji, I can't hear what you're saying.
Deepak, you will not get a chance, okay?
Mataji, I know the word.
No, why don't you cannot say the word, please? Ayash, you want to say Ayash?
I didn't get a chance.
Oh, Manmay Krishna. Okay, Manmay. Manmay. A. Okay, Manmay said A. Okay. Brinda, who is that? Pranav, did you say Pranav? I did not hear you saying last time. Did you say?
Mataji,
Yes.
I think there for the next word there might be a U. Mataji,
There is no you. There is no you. So the devotee. Yeah, let's see. Okay. Nirvi. Oh, who is Janvi? Did you say Janvi? Okay. Madhav. Madhav? No.
Yes.
Nirvi.
See the letter.
Nirvi, okay, Nirvi, go ahead. What did you say, Nirvi? No M. There is no M.
Yeah.
Mataji,
Yes.
can I say?
Yes, Subhadra Giridhari, yeah. Subhadra Giridhari, go ahead. We don't get Subhadra. What did you say?
Mataji, can I go?
No, coach. No, it is not Balaram. It's not Balaram. It's not Balaram. Anybody else who wants to try?
Hare Krishna Mataji, Kaushik, can I go?
Yes, Kaushi, go ahead.
Y. I mean H. I mean C.
H, okay, we have H. Oh, I cannot type. Okay, the first letter is H. Okay, now who wants to say? What is the
Hare
word?
Krishna Mataji, can I go?
Yes, go ahead.
Mataji, is it Harinam?
No, it is not
Mataji,
Harinam.
L. Harinam. Haribol.
Yes.
Haribol. Haribol.
Very good. Wow. See, you did so wonderful. The devotee never won. Only the kids won all the time. Okay. Thank you so much. Now let me stop sharing this. We have to, Anjana Gopika Mataji, we have to do that.
Yes, Mataji. Haribol, Mataji.
Sorry, Mataji, I took a lot of time.
No, it's fine. Kids were enjoying very nicely. Very nice activity. Yeah, we'll learn the sloka, everyone. Haribol. Okay, you all repeat.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
You all repeat after me, okay?
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Haribol.
Mataji.
Yes, we will do the sloka, okay? Shriya Kanta Kanta.
Shriya Kanta. Shriya.
Parama Purusa. Parama Purusa.
Parama
Kalpataravo. Droma Bhume. Chintani Ganamai. Toyam Amritam. Katha Api Bamsi Priya Sakhi.
Param Apidat
Chidanandam Jyoti.
महानन्दं ज्योति
परमापि तदा परमापि
परमापि तदा स्वाद्यमपि
Okay, we'll do the yesterday you did the first two line. We'll do today second two line. Okay.
Can I do the translation? Katha
Ganam natyam gamanam. Api bamsi priya sakhi. Chidanandam jyoti paramam api.
Paramapi tadavashyam
Tada swatyam api sa. One more time whole sloka and we'll go to the break. Then we'll go to the rhyme. Okay. Priya kanta kanta parama. Purusha kalpataravo. Durma bhumi sintamani gana. Mai toyam amritam. Katha ganam natyam gamanam.
Anandam Gati Paramapi
Apikam Sitiya Sakhi. Chidanandam Jyoti Parama. Api tada swadyam api cha. Okay. Now we will go to the rhyme. Okay. Lotus feet, soft and sweet.
Lotus soft and sweet.
Lord Chaitanya dancing.
Lord
Prabhu Nityananda sing. Krishna's name is everything.
Prabhu Nityananda sings. Krishna's name is everything.
Lord Nitai, hear our cry.
Lord Nitai, take us
home back to Godhead.
Take us home back to Godhead.
Hear our cry, Gaur Nitai.
Hear our cry.
Take us home back to you.
Take us home back to you.
Thank you so much. We'll go to the break room and then we'll practice, okay? Rhyme and sloka.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna Mataji, can I go?
One sec, Mataji.
Yes, Subhadra. Yes, Mataji.
Mataji, I was just asking when do we have to show the spreadsheet to the kids, Mataji? Do we have to do that?
The spreadsheet for the this one?
Yes.
Bhagavad Gita, na?
Yes.
Yes. Now or after rhyme?
We'll share.
Yes. Now we can.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes,
Mataji, because we don't have time. It's already 6:05. We have to show now only.
Yeah.
Okay, give me one.
Mataji, can I say?
Yeah, one second, Subhadra. Mataji is showing something. We can see we have a Gita recitation. Yes, Loka. Mataji will say something regarding this and then. Yes, Mataji.
Can you see
Very
my
well. Yeah, kids, you can
Please go ahead.
see your name.
Yeah. Hare Krishna kids, actually, there have been number of the kids have more increased, so we have changed the verses. So please check your verses and your name regarding that, please. Can you please go through, because we have increased the candidates, like participation was increased, so we have to reduce verses, and the verses have been changed that you have selected. Please check for that.
Mataji, can we send in the Damodar group? Yes, that and they can check.
Yeah, that also we can do, but now also they can check, Mataji. They can see their names.
Yeah. Now you can also check, but make sure you can again check and see your sloka, means your which sloka you are supposed to doing. Okay.
We don't need to break out, Mataji. It's already 6-7.
Yes, Mataji. And maybe kids, you can some of you can raise the hand. We will give some of the kids who didn't get chance yesterday, and then we'll today in the call. Yeah, two already raised the hand. Yeah, we can see the 1 second. I have to see.
Hare Krishna Mataji, my sister wants to say something. I cannot raise my hand.
We have already time is there. Yeah. 1 second. Yeah, Mataji already shared the this one. Yes, Rishikesh shared the Rishikesh, Sanvi and Subhadra and Giridhari say raise their hand. Rishikesh, can you go first?
Yes, Mataji. Shriya Kanta Kanta Paramapurusha Kalpataravo Druma Bhumi Chintamani Ganamai Toyamamritam Kataganam Natyam Gamanamapi Vamsi Priya Sakhi Chidanandam Jyoti Paramapi Tadasvadyamapi cha.
Thank you so much.
Shravati Surabhipyascha Sumahan Nimesharta Kyo Va Vrajati Nahi Yatrapi Samayaha Bhaje Svedat Dvipam Tamahamiha Golokamitiyam Vidantaste Santaha Kshitivirala Chara Katipaye.
Very nice. Very nice. You did all the sloka.
Miss Bhadra.
Yes, Subhadra. Go ahead.
Okay, Masterji. Can I say the rhyme?
Yes.
Please, can I say the rhyme? Low as feet, soft and sweet, large and Krishna's name is everything. Here, born here by our here I take us home back to Godhead. Here I cry for Nita. Take us home back to you.
Thank you so much. Now Subhadra Giridhari. Subhadra Giridhari, can you go next?
Mataji, can I do the shloka?
Yes, sloka, yes.
Shreya Kanta Kanta Parama Purusha Kalpatarvo Droma Bhumesh Chintamani Ganama Itoyam Amratam कथा गणम नाट्यम गमनम अपि वांशी प्रिया सखी चिद आनंदम ज्योति परम अपि तद अवश्यदनम अपि च.
Thank you, Subhadra. Thank you so much.
Shall we go, Mataji? Can I do the rhyme?
Not only one thing, okay? Now, because we don't have time. Yes, Anvi, you want to say sloka?
Mataji, can I go ahead?
You want to say Sanvi?
Yes. I want to do shloka.
Yes.
Shreya Kanta Kanta Parama Purusha Kalpatarava Droma Bhumishinta Mani Ganamahi Toyam Amritam Kata Ganam Natyam Gananam Api Vamshis Saki Chintadanam Jyotihi Paramapi Tad Aswadyam Api Cha. Thank you, Mataji.
Now, Janavi, you want to do?
Right.
Janavi, you want to do the rhyme?
I can do that.
Lotus feet.
Lotus feet, soft and sweet. Lotus feet, soft and sweet, Lord Chaitanya dance. Prabhu Nityananda Prabhu Nityananda sings that Krishna's name is everything. Hear a cry, Gaur Nitai. Take us home back to God. Hear our cry, Gaur Nitai. Take us home back to you.
Thank you. Yes, somebody raised the hand. Yes. Tushita.
Can I go? This Deepak.
Yeah. Tushita want to go first and then.
Yeah. Thank you, ma'am. Mataji, Tushita wants to do rhyme.
Mataji, I can wait.
Yeah, rhyme.
Okay. Tushita. Lotus feet, soft and sweet.
Lotus feet, soft and sweet.
Lord Chaitanya dancing.
Lord Chaitanya dancing.
Prabhu Nityananda sings.
Prabhu Nityananda sings.
Krishna's name is everything.
Krishna's name is everything.
Gaur Nitai, hear our cry.
Gaur Nitai, hear our cry.
Take us home back to Godhead.
Take us home to back to Godhead.
Hear our cry, Gaur Nitai.
Hear our cry, Gaur Nitai.
Take us home back to you.
Take us home back to you. Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you so much.
Can I say the rhyme? Hare Krishna Mataji, can I say it?
How many are all of you? Can you sing together? Manmai, who is raising, who want to sing? Can you sing all of you together?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes.
Lord, the sweet, soft and sweet, Lord Chaitanya dance. Prabhu
Louder. Good job.
Back to you. Take us home back to you. Thank you, Mataji. Hare Krishna. Mataji, did the next class start yet? Mataji, Jai.
Thank you, Mataji.
Jai.